Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see your profile view on TikTok. So profile view basically means the people who have viewed your profile. So if I come on profile by clicking on profile at the bottom right on my screen, and at the top right beside my name Kevin, you can see there's like a number called 3. So if I click on that, this is called profile view. And these are the people who have viewed my profile, alright? Now it gets resetted every 30 days, so you need to remember that. But that's basically what profile views are. So those are the people who have checked my profile like in the last 30 days. But in your case, you might not be able to see this option. In that case, you either have not yet updated your TikTok or you have not turned on this feature. So let me show you how we guys can turn this feature on. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, once you come in your TikTok profile, you want to click on the 3 line at the top right. Once you click on the 3 line, you want to click on where it says settings and privacy. And inside settings and privacy, you want to click on the second option called privacy, which is going to be right below account. Once you're inside privacy, scroll a bit down until you see the second last option called profile views. Click on it and make sure to turn it on if it is off. And you should be able to see the people who have viewed your profile. And if you turn this on and you go visit somebody else's profile, they will also know that you visited their profile. So it kind of works in both the ways, alright? That's how you guys can see who has viewed your profile on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.